Mr. Xander.
Hi.
I see you're taking the barf tank out.
Yeah.
Got the battery out already, make your life a little easier.
Just a little.
Just a little. Oh, look, you got the little glow effect going with the light. Glow party.
If you're trying to film him, I guarantee you his is bigger than yours. That's just a fact.
You,
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. All right, so Xander's getting that out. And then we'll get in here and get the belt off. Huzzah! It's probably 7.
That is so.
Because
And this is lying.
if they're cheap Chinese, then it's either 7 or 8. Oh, maybe it's 6. Oh, maybe it's quarter. Maybe it's actually a standard clamp that's not made in China. Shock! Shock, I tell you. Right. Oh, look.
We have that leak.
Yeah, cute. That would explain it. So there's our water pump, which is being a lovely leaky little mess. Xander's gonna pull a belt. He's gonna get the tensioner, pull a belt, and then begin taking the pump out. So much fun.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pull that pulley before you can do the belt. Loosen up the pulley,
Right.
because the belt will help you. And then once you get the belt off and the pulley off, then you can get the water pump off. This is gonna be a blast. Fun. All right. We'll check back in after you got the pulley off and you're getting ready to pull the belt.
Yep.
All right. Belt's off. Xander's got the pulley loose. He's gonna get the pulley out. And then comes the fun of pulling the water pump. Way to go.
Hey, the good thing about being a mechanic is you get good with your fingers.
Yeah, your old lady likes it, huh? Yeah. Hey, Papi Chulo! That's what your old lady sounds like?
No.
Taco flavor kisses?
Is that what yours sound like?
No. Alright, anyway. So, Monsieur Howe here has oop, ding, fries are done. Well, at least it's not like the Traverse where it gets stuck. Or is it?
No, it's
Like the Traverse where it gets stuck?
yeah.
That's cute. Well, GM's been doing this for 30 years now. Oh, I got blood on the car. Okay, 1 second. It'll be okay. Xander, it's gonna be okay.
I didn't do anything.